secant theta plus tan theta is equal to k. What is the value of cos theta? So I can say secant theta plus tan theta. Look here. We will multiply and divide by secant theta minus tan theta, and divide here also by secant theta minus tan theta, that is equal to k, correct? So we can write this as secant squared theta minus of tan squared theta divided by secant theta minus tan theta, that is equal to k. So we know 1 plus tan squared theta, that is equal to secant squared theta. We know this. So because of which I can clearly write here secant squared theta minus tan squared theta is 1 divided by secant theta minus tan theta, that is equal to k. Now the question is asking you to calculate what is the value of cos theta, right? What's the value of cos theta? So I can write secant theta minus tan theta is 1 by secant theta minus tan theta is equal to k. So we can write here so secant theta minus tan theta, I can write this as 1 divided by k. This I'll put it as equation 2 and this I'll put it as equation number 1. Done, no problem, easily. What I'll do now, equation 1 plus equation 2 I'll do. When I do equation 1 plus equation 2, secant theta plus secant theta will give me 2 secant theta plus tan theta and minus tan theta will get cancelled. So your answer to the question will be k plus 1 divided by k. So 2 times secant theta, that is equal to k square plus 1 divided by k. So your secant theta will be equal to k square plus 1 divided by 2k. So what is your value of cos theta is equal to the reciprocal of secant theta, so which is equal to 2k divided by 1 plus k square or 2k divided by k square plus 1, whatever is seen in the option is the answer.